Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and put back on a new Serpentine belt on this 2003 F250 Super Duty. This truck has the 5.4 liter. The procedure is basically the same for 5.4 as well as a 6.8 liter. The only tool you'll need is a 1/2-inch ratchet, and you'll also want a piece of pipe or a breaker bar for some extra leverage, and a stool. And in the video you'll hear something squeaking every once in a while. That's my stool slipping, so just be careful as you're leaning over the engine bay. Okay, very important, find your belt routing diagram. On this truck it's on the driver's side right near the radiator. It looks like this. This is a very important piece of information. This helps you get the belt routed correctly. It can be somewhat confusing if you don't have a diagram. If this has been painted over or missing, I would actually draw a diagram just by hand, just so you have it and it helps. Okay, so here is your tensioner right here. Take a 1/2-inch ratchet, insert it there. Now force your ratchet clockwise to loosen the belt and then take it off the alternator. Push down on the ratchet, grab the belt, and slowly let your tensioner back. Okay. And pull the belt off. It goes down around your compressor here. Out. Okay, take your new belt from 1A Auto, and you want to make a nice tight loop, and you're going to stuff it down in between where your tensioner and idler are. Okay, and then reach underneath, grab that loop, pull it through. I know you can't really see this, but I'm just pulling it through and then putting it around my AC compressor pulley. Okay. Keep a loop down and around the crankshaft. Okay. After you're around the crankshaft, kind of come up and ignore the alternator for right now, and put it down and around your power steering pulley way over here. So what you do is put a little loop between your idler pulley and tensioner, get that down around the AC. Okay, then put your loop around the crankshaft, then pull a loop up and then around the power steering pulley, and then you're on everything except the alternator. Closer up, you can see the belt is way down around the AC compressor, around the tensioner there, and around the water pump, and then down around the power steering pump over here. And I can pull it up some. Okay, so you can see I've got my ratchet in there. Take a piece of pipe. It's going to give me extra leverage, make this job really easy. Okay, before I pull on that, I'm going to pull my belt up. Okay, just make sure feel down around the AC pulley and the crank pulley and the power steering pulley. Okay, everything feels like it's on there correctly. Bring my ratchet up, use the pipe, take the tension off, put the belt on, and then slowly, I don't like the way it's looking on my tensioner here, just going to pull it up a little bit. Okay, now slowly release that, take the pipe off, and take the ratchet off. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.